Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I am making vanilla mug cake without oven and without eggs. Now let's start. I am using half cup all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, 6 tablespoon powdered sugar, 6 tablespoon milk, half teaspoon vanilla essence, 2 pinch of baking soda, 2 tablespoon of oil. Mix well for 1 minute. Add 1.5 tablespoon of black barberries and mix again. Add mixture in mug. Add black barberries on top. Preheat your pot for 15 minutes on medium flame. Add mug carefully. Cover and bake on medium flame for 20 to 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, uncover and take out from the pot carefully. Vanilla mug cake is ready. Thank you for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.